everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a month since I updated you guys on my rolling Bath & Body Works project pan. So what? I'm just very excited because we're getting into fall and that means I can get into warmer fragrances. So yeah. Little side note of like things that I'm doing is the other day I want to know how many like body lotions I'm going through this entire year, and that's why like I've been doing like my Bath & Body Works empties and like my rolling project pan to kind of keep track, so like I know when I run out of my collection how to not overbuy stuff, or you know, gauge like how much I actually need. And yeah, I don't know if I should tell you now, or maybe I'll like once I have my complete total number I will tell you then, but I'm just like, your girl goes through some lotion. So without further ado, let's get in. I'm going to start off with the products that I ended up finishing. So if you watched my last update, this should have been a no-brainer. It is the Agave Papaya Sunset. This smells so good. I'm actually finishing up the shower gel right now in my shower. I still have like a good couple weeks use, just because this shower gel, like, you don't use as much shower gel as you do lotion, but oh, if you ever see this, I highly recommend you picking it up. It is such like a nice warm fragrance. What are the notes? Sugared agave, golden papaya, dulce de leche, coconut sands, and exotic musk. So, ooh, I just dropped it. But when I put this into the project, it was practically almost full, and I finally finished it up. The other one that I finished, I think I might have put this in my last update. I think I did. So in a month, I went through not just the little bit of that was left over, but I also finished the Frosted Snow Blossom Ultra Shea Body Cream. This one, it was starting to turn, there's still a little bit left, but it's a little bit yellow. I don't know if you can tell, but I could tell that the scent was starting to change, so I decided to, you know, put it in this project and use it up, even though, you know, it's clearly a winter, but it doesn't matter. Like, it still smelled amazing. It gave me a little break from like the summery scents, because it is a much warmer fragrance. I honestly enjoyed this. I would consider purchasing it again because it was such a nice fragrance, but obviously that's not going to happen anytime soon because I have a lot of lotion to use up. But this was nice. Yeah, so I put this in my last update, and in a month it was done, and let me tell you, it's been done for a while. So I just like to lotion up. I like to be hydrated. What else can I say? Okay, and the next thing that I finished, it was the Winter Candy Apple Creamy Body Scrub. I'm not honestly a fan of the body scrubs. I just feel like they're overpriced. I mean, yeah, they smell great, but like the scent washes off. You could just DIY it or buy cheaper ones. I still have another one in my stash. I'm not going to pull that out yet. I'm going to wait until it's winter time, just to slough off that dead skin. But I did finish this one. It did kind of take a while. I had this in a couple of updates, but I finally used this baby up. Okay, let's talk about the products that I haven't finished yet. So this was my Endless Weekend body lotion. I did put this in my last update. When I put it in, it was about halfway full, and now I'm down to here. This is going to be done within the next couple of days. This has like two, maybe three full body applications. That's like arms and legs. It smells nice. I think it's appropriate. Technically it is fall, but here in California it's still summer. It's like summer part 2, so I think it's appropriate. We are gonna get a couple of cold days next week, so it's appropriate to like use this up in the hot days that are left, but we're probably gonna get more hot days again because that's just how California rolls. So yeah, this will be done for sure by the next update. So that is that one. I haven't finished this one. This was Wild Honeysuckle with crushed body cream, highlighter. This doesn't have that much left. I mean, still smells nice. It's very springy. It's definitely a springy scent. How many, like, I only use this on my legs, sometimes on my arms. I probably have 2-ish applications left, and you know, I like to wear this when I go out with my boyfriend so my legs and my arms look nice and shiny. And you probably don't know, but I'm in a long distance relationship. He just went back to school, but he's coming down next weekend, so gotta use this up if the weather permits. So definitely should be used up by the next update. Like, I just have to. Like, it doesn't matter if I'm going out with my boyfriend, I'm gonna use it. I just have to show my legs so it doesn't get on my clothes, and it's like, let's not waste the fact that I like put a whole highlighter in this. So that is that one. So then I started cracking into the Seaside Breeze Ultra Shea Body Cream. This one still smells fine. It smells nice. I enjoy it. It's like summery, but a tad bit on the warmer side. A tad bit. I'm a little mad at this product, or like resentful next, because I bought this one and my all-time favorite Sunshine Days at the same time, and Sunshine Days is the one that turned instead of this one. So I'm a little salty, but I still have Sunshine Days body lotion, so I guess it's nice that I get to enjoy this. Plus, I feel like Seaside Breeze is one of those scents that always will indefinitely come back. It's just a popular fragrance, but I'm enjoying her. Gotta use up the other ones before I start going on this one. Okay, my special perfume was the Victoria's Secret Bombshell. She is special to be in this. Technically, she's not Bath & Body Works, but Victoria's Secret is Bath & Body Works' sister company. So when I put this in, it was brand spanking new, and now I'm about to, right here, I don't know if I can get this to focus. Ah, there we go. So I'm about to right there. She's okay. For some reason, I thought this was going to be like a more like sultry / sexy, but it's more like beachy and fresh, though the packaging is very deceiving. And this rollerball picks up, or I just have a lot of dead skin, but like, it's a lot. I've never had this issue with like, at least at this point in the rollerball. Like, it's usually like always down to when I get through 2/3, not 1/3. So I'm ready to use her up. She stays home because I don't want to pull this out and people be like, why are there little fishies flowing in your perfume? It's my dead skin. And then I didn't get too far with my Sunshine Days fragrance mist. I was here last update, and now I'm down to here, and I'm actually going to take this out because if I use this up right now, and like, it's gonna take me forever to use this up, it's gonna take me the rest of the year, and I want to like go back to winter fragrances, and I just love this one so much. But I also know it's gonna be like counterproductive to just purchase another one if I do go through this, because I still have so much to go through, that I'm just deciding to like give this a break, bring it out next spring, next summer when I'm ready to use this. I did use this all throughout my Europe trip. I know you guys must be so sick and tired about me talking about it, but I mean, just like my channel, it's like, it's dying down, but like for a while there, it was very relevant to like my content. So I use this in Europe. Sorry. And do you know, when I use this sometimes, like, or a lot of the times, like, it just reminds me of that. So I do want to save this just a little bit. I do have like the YSL Mon Paris, like that was the perfume that I used, so there's that one. But you know, I just want to give this a break, kind of get into like a fall fragrance, and then just bring this back up next spring and next summer. So to replace it, since that's the end of all the products that I put in last time, I'm putting in Perfect Autumn Day, because it's, you know, and this is just a travel size. Just because it's a warmer fragrance, I'm ready for fall, I'm ready for the cold weather, and this won't take me super long to use up, and then by the time I do use this up, I can whip out my winter candy apple for the winter. So I have used this a couple of times, not that many, so I am starting to right here, right where it says between Perfect and the start of autumn. So I'm really excited to use this up. It's a really good scent. It kind of grows on you. It has a little bit of that maple syrup scent, but I'm kind of ready for that. Okay, and because I used up a lot of lotion, and as you can see, I clearly go through a lot of lotion in a month, I am adding 2 body creams. The first one is Fall is in the Air, Bright Autumn Blooms, and I'm honestly very PO'd at this. This one was the one from last year, And this, oh, now it kind of smells. But when I took this out to smell it, it just didn't smell anymore. It smelled like it had gone bad. But now I'm getting a little whiff of it. And maybe it just might be because I was smelling so many body lotions when I decided to pick this out that I thought I couldn't smell it. And like I thought it went bad. But now that I have it, bad. I thought it went bad. But now that I'm smelling it, it is yellow and chunky though. And I'm just like, I literally just got this last year. Oh, see, but now that I smell it like this, it just doesn't really have a scent anymore. It kind of smells like it's gone off a little bit. I mean, it's still moisturizing. It just kind of reminds me of Sunshine Days, about like what happened with that. And I'm kind of like, this, I just got this last year and it's like already like bad. It's almost practically useless. She's still moisturizing, but like the scent, it's not there anymore. And this came out again this year, and I'm just trying to use up all my body creams now because this is pretty depressing. I was really looking forward to actually pulling this out just to find out that it's gone bad practically. Yeah, like there's no real scent. So this is just gonna be on my legs once it's cold because you can't smell that, not at all. And it's like very frustrating that I let it go bad, or that like it just went bad in such a short amount of time. And then as for the last body cream that I'm putting in, she was purchased last year and she's still okay. She still smells great. And this was the Chestnut Argan body cream that came out in this collection, and this is with pure argan oil when like they decided to go like healthy and stuff. So she's still fine. So we'll use her when that's the other one's being used on my legs. So yeah, I'm just really like, oh, I'm so pissed off about Fall Is in the Air. I still have like a body cream in a tub. I haven't smelled that one, but I'm pretty sure that one's still okay. I'm just like, I don't know. I'm like thinking, should I just go exchange it for like a new one for them this year? Because they re-brought out the same scents like from last year's fall collection. But I'm just like, I don't know. I don't know if it's worth like trying to be like, hey, I just bought this at your semi-annual sale like a year ago. I don't even know if I bought it at semi-annual sale, but it literally came out a year ago and it's like bad and chunky. They're probably gonna give me like that side eye, and I don't know if it's worth doing it, but I don't know. I'm just very frustrated and very like upset over that situation. And it's like, yes, I did like let it sit, but it didn't even last a year and it went bad. And it's like, what is Bath and Body Works doing with their body creams? Oh, that is so annoying. That literally happens every day. But yeah, I don't know. Should I just suck it up and just use it because I have it? Or do you think I should exchange it? I don't know. I also don't want to like come off as like being bratty for being like, oh, I just want to exchange it. Like, I'm more like, I'm mad at myself for being a hoarder once. But I'm also like, it's only been like a year since they brought that exact fragrance out. And I got that. I don't know. That is it for now. I hope that it doesn't take me a whole month to update. I've been meaning to do this video, but I don't know why, it just wasn't at the top of my list. Usually I'm pretty good. Ooh, I just burped, excuse me. Usually I'm pretty good about updating every 2 to 3 weeks, but this time it just took me a whole month. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me actually like go through my Bath and Body Works stash and become less of a hoarder. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!